The Manage Extension page also has some updates. One of the things you'll notice is when you click on Privacy Now, it's going to open a privacy mode out. This just tells you exactly what privacy policy that extension falls under. So this is a standalone extension, so it falls into our privacy policy, which means nothing is being collected. But say we take a look at the Lighthouse extension, that says it integrates with a third party, and you're just going to click on the Google name and it's going to take you right to the privacy policy for that extension. You can also now enable and disable extensions directly from this page without having to go to your dashboard site's WP admin to make those changes. If we click through to the install extensions, we made it a bit easier to tell the difference between whether an extension was pro or free, and now we've even brought in our .org partners. So for example, if I wanted to add the WP Vivid backup for MainWP, instead of having to go to the WP admin, search for it, install it, or even know that it existed, now it's right there for everybody to see. You just click it, select install extension, and it's installed just like that. Now it's on your dashboard and we got it right here and it's enabled and ready to go. And before you go, if you like this video, be sure to like it. And if you want to be notified when we release new videos, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.